Hello. So we are going to be looking at Lab Manual, page 46, question 10, and that's an absolute value equation, solving absolute value equations problem. However, here I want to underline one thing. The equation in the absolute value is second degree. We will be solving second degree equations in more detail in test 2. If we cannot factor it, we will use the quadratic formula. I will go over it on this video, but don't feel yourself responsible for this. Instead of question 10, I would suggest to focus more on question 6. So linear equations in the absolute value. However, let's look at this. So x squared minus 10x absolute value equals 4. So how do we solve that? X squared minus 10x equals 4, or x squared minus 10x equals negative 4. Alright, so second degree equations are being solved. You need to make the equation equal to 0. So I add 4 here, 4 there, negative 4 there. So the new equation on this side, it will become x squared minus 10x minus 4 equals 0. And here it will become x squared minus 10x plus 4 equals 0. Alright, so we cannot factor this equation. Thus, we're going to use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is something like that you're going to learn in module 2. So how do we solve this problem? I would go ahead and think this problem from here. So try to do it this way. F of x is equal to, I have one function, x squared minus 10x. I have another function here, g of x equals to 4. So think about it like you're solving a systems equation. You have one absolute value function, one constant function, g of x is equal to 4. Where do they intersect each other, or do they intersect each other? Is there a solution? Something like this. So if you go to Desmos and enter one function, f of x in absolute value is equal to x squared minus 10x. This is the absolute value v. And g of x is equal to 4. As you see that they cut each other, negative 3.85 and negative 4.17. So we can obtain these numbers using the quadratic formula. But at this point, graphical solution rather than algebraic solution will be okay for test 1. Cannot factor, graphical solution preferred for this module. Okay, but in module 2, we will identify ABC, quadratic formula, b squared minus 4ac, all over negative 2a. So then we can do it. All right, so that's all I wanted to say. However, look at question 6. Are you comfortable with question 6? If you are, for test 1, you're safe. Okay, hope it helps.